Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my channel, and today I bring crochet designs for bottle and glass cover. I hope you enjoy this video. Please do watch this video till the end. You will definitely find different varieties of crochet designs. So in this video I share different varieties of crochet designs. So from bean stitch designs, plain double crochet designs, and granny square designs. And in this video you will also see tulip flower crochet designs for bottles. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you want to get more crochet designs, so do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from my channel. Thanks for watching.